Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking practice channel. I'm so happy you're here today. In today's video, we're going to learn spoken English with a simple conversation between two school friends. The topic is, welcome back to school.
Hi Rahul.
Hey Priya, long time no see.
I know. How was your holiday?
It was good. I went to my uncle's house in Mumbai.
Wow, Mumbai, did you enjoy it?
Yes, we went to the beach, ate street food, and visited some museums.
That sounds amazing. I stayed home and relaxed.
That's also nice. Sometimes staying home is the best.
Now, repeat with me. Long time no see. How was your holiday? That sounds amazing. Sometimes staying home is the best.
Are you excited for the new school year?
A little bit. I still feel like I'm on vacation.
Me too, but I'm happy to see my friends again.
Yeah, I missed our lunch breaks and fun times.
I also want to join a club this year.
Which one?
Maybe the drama club or the reading club. What about you?
I want to try the football team again.
Now, repeat with me. Are you excited for the new school year? I missed our lunch breaks. I want to join a club. What about you?
Look, the classroom looks clean and fresh.
Yes, I think they painted the walls.
Do you know who our new class teacher is?
I heard it's Mrs. Sharma. She teaches English.
That's great. I like English.
Me too. It's fun to learn new words.
Now, repeat with me. The classroom looks clean and fresh. She teaches English. It's fun to learn new words.
What did you bring for lunch today?
Just some sandwiches. You?
I brought rice and vegetables. Want to try some?
Sure. Want a piece of my sandwich?
Yes, thank you. Sharing is caring.
Exactly.
Now, repeat with me. What did you bring for lunch? Want to try some? Sharing is caring.
Do you have any goals for this school year?
Yes, I want to improve my math.
That's a good goal. I want to read more books this year.
We can help each other.
Yes, let's study together after school sometimes.
Good idea.
Now, repeat with me. Do you have any goals? I want to improve my math. Let's study together.
Today was a good first day.
Yes, it feels good to be back.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Don't forget your lunchbox.
Haha, thanks. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Let's repeat a few important lines again. Long time no see. Are you excited for the new school year? Let's study together. Sharing is caring. It feels good to be back. Remember, you can watch this video again and speak with me to improve your English fluency. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.